Right, so the box is all finished. Fucking bastard's been ringing us all day in fucking messages, so I've lost the whole fucking video when I was carpeting this thing. So yeah, not the best type of thing, but whatever, fucking doesn't matter. So that's what it looks. Fucking amazing. You show is around the back. But yeah, that's the box done. Now get the arms mounted, sort all that shit in, slide the subs in, and it goes.
Sipping lean, caffeine with codeine. I'm smoking nicotine. PCP, pills in my cuisine. I'm fucking Drake this way. Wrist dismay, suicide, renegade. Pop a couple waves up in my grave. Carving my skin with a blade. I don't fuck with squillers, no drug dealer. Stealer with the sealer. Sick of that always wreck. Bitch get checked. Grade 5-9 to sit. Chop 'em, make 'em wet. Watch me flex. Y'all just second best. Never second guess. Manifest. Triple 6 to death.
We ain't my motherfucking true name. If I roll it down, it will combust into a blue flame. Loon gang banging out Bruce Lane. Body in the suitcase. Pull a body bag full of bootlegs. Two-face bitch. Sick of duck like your bitch. Lay your goose eggs. Two fangs. Going got a 2-day. Tie me up like a shoestring. Let the news hang. Out of my box. I need a new frame. Cherry ain't got a pocket full of fruitcake. Bruce Wayne wanna be. Fuck with me, I'll probably give you something free. Honey surrounding around me cause I'm buzzing like a fucking bumblebee. Most of my raps are fucking tongue-in-cheek. Fungus in my lungs, other rich from the weed. Another day, another feet. All the fucking dirt, you will find me underneath.
Well, that's all the amps are set in. Everything is wired in, ready to go. We'll peel this thing off later on. Master slave, power, negative, remote, everything is here. Speakers are wired in. So yeah, now we'll go back to the car and we'll be doing the false floor. Right, so false floor, quite a few things I've done actually. Here I'll show you what I've done. So first of all, I removed the rear deck, well, rear parcel shelf and that. It is quite easy really, so you have to do is you push that side out, so it goes for that one goes out. Plastic trims somewhere there, them ones there, and then shelf, undo the screws obviously, pop the grills off with a pry tool. They just pop out on clips. Then you have one screw underneath here, I believe it was there. There's a screw, undo that, and just basically lift these sides up, because it's got some clips here, there and everywhere, and then just pull it towards you and just slide from one angle out. That stupid subwoofer went bye-bye. Well, like I said, there was some RCAs already in, so I'm gonna redo all this crap. And it's got the line input and output as well, so that will be cool. What else? Regarding the false floor, I've cut this bit off the original liner, which is there, because I'm actually not going to be putting a false floor all the way to the back due to subwoofer box not clearing on these ears here, as fucking typical. But that's not a problem, it looks absolutely mint anyways. So the false floor is gonna start from here. So the false floor will sit on top of this nice and neat, and it's gonna go across there. Then floor is gonna be going halfway to here till about there. So from there to there 40 centimeters, and it's gonna be flat, and this part here of the false floor will be able to lift out, and so we can get to the battery and all that sort of crap, fuses, blah blah blah. So yeah, that is going to be 40, and this one is going to have, I'm going to make it up. I'll film that part how I'm doing it, but at the moment I'm gonna actually make this side first, the oval thing, awkward shape, and from there we'll be making that part, then carpeting all up and all that sort of crap. So yeah, let's get down to business. So to get the shape of this boot, see, it's not gonna clear. What you need is, you need cardboard, you need a pencil, and you need something like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the edge and basically mark it. Obviously not to that edge, I'm working on this edge, so we'll be doing this edge first. So let's see that there, so we'll cut that part off there, and we'll cut that part off there. Get yourself some snips, blah 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 blah. But I'm gonna set up the camera and I'm gonna do it all in time lapse. That's the shape of the boot has been made. As you can see, everything's cool. So I'm gonna just transfer this thing onto my proper wood bed, and we'll be good to go. Feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. GA style, it's carpet time.
Denver, Colorado. Please welcome for the last time of the Strictly Strange Tour 2008, the #1 independent rapper in the world, check
How could I be so down at a time like this when I'm high like this? When the Billboard charts me major tours overseas when I fly like this. I've been thinking about the people that need me, they needy and all of the pain that I might miss. Sooner or later it seeks me, reach me, then leave me deep in the rain inside my pit. I'm going down now because my mom frowns in a research psychiatric center without a son around. And I'm deep off in this hole when I'm out here rocking shows. I should be high cause my life is so rock and roll. But I feel like the Grinch mixed with Ebenezer Scrooge. Let the fever ooze up out of me, cloud of me, never eager to let up when I'm in an interview. They probably be thinking they're gonna hinder dude, cause he be looking like he might offend the rule. Never intricate to remember blues, because it's always right here with the Hennessy and light beer. Let it enter me and fight fear. Yeah, I know I quit, but I started back. The homie called again, and my bodyguard Nicholas just had a heart attack.
I'm sinking again, I'm drinking again, drowning in water, we're breathing again. Seizing the sand, when you're bleeding within, needing the grin, cheesing, proceeding to spin. That's how I feel in the morning. That's how I sound when you're calling. I'm hard to feel like I'm falling, I'm sorry, but I'm feeling low.
My smile is forced, my style is warped. Morale is corpse, now that my really good pal is torched. My lips blown with the wind, I'm at home with the gin to the dome. When I spin, I'm a zone, cause the phone must be roaming again. Out of tone, I'm alone, not a bone when I spin. Time with I'm just minus my finest.
And there we have it. The full floor is in. That's just the shadows, don't worry. That's how it's gonna be sitting here. Sits nice and lush. Yes, it's a little bit dirty. Just we'll be hoovering it all up and that. So what we'll do now is I'm gonna sort all the wiring out. So for the starters, we've got this high to low input converter. So negatives are wired to negative and positive is wired to positive, and these wires are not gonna get used apart from the black one, because black one is the ground wire. So we'll ground that, we'll tape this all up nicely, and basically we'll then just send the RCAs down to the subwoofer, which are gonna be behind there, well, behind the seats. I'm gonna pull the seats down in a minute. Once that's done, he's already got a remote wire in here on from the fuse box, so that is gonna be my source of remote cable, because I'm not going to be using that. I could possibly use that, but I've already got a cable run here, so it's alright. We'll make these, we'll put these things away and hoover it all up. We'll chuck the, I'm gonna chuck the cables through here actually now. I'm gonna get the ground in and stuff like that. The ground is gonna go, let's go how cool it is now, up like that, and then you just lift it up and out it comes. Yes, and this bit is the same, and up it goes. Nice and easy, and looks much better than the factory stuff. So this cable is gonna go there. We'll sort that one out. Then what else? Then will be, I'm gonna put the ground onto here, the factory space where it's meant to be for the ground, so that's cool as well. I'm gonna use the same cable here. I'm just gonna chop it down to size because the ground cable was absolutely shit, too short. We'll chuck the fuse in, and then we'll be doing some tuning and blah blah blah, and that'll be the sound system in. But yeah, let me get all this wiring sorted, all run. I'm not going to be filming, I'll just explain later if something needs to be explained, but it's simple and easy. As you can see, you've got one there. Just get the feed from the positive terminal through the fuse, always through the fuse. Cable tied if you can, just lay your cables, run them through, and that's it. Happy days, really. Job's a good one. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on, and I'll catch us in a couple seconds. Right, so what we've got here something good. The sub is in, everything's been wired in. That's where the RCAs go. They go up and about there, into there. That's where the RCAs are, all grounded, okay, all tied up with tester tape. I put some wide foam stuff around the thingy so it doesn't vibrate too much. So yeah, that's what it all looks. Power comes in from the bottom, ground and positive, as you can see, goes up, all nice and tied up. Then we've got master. This is a slave amp, this is the master amp. I'll get the owner to peel that thing off for you. A remote, yeah, this is all in. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be sounding the rear parcel shelf, and once that's all in, I'll put the shelf back in and all that sort of stuff. I'll show you how it looks from the boot side. That's what it looks from the boot side. Nice and lovely. Nice 12s. So how it works, like I showed before, lift this up, push it out, and there we go. Everything is in, and then just put it back in, slide it down, and there we go. So yeah, let me go down, let me get some sounded and sorted, and we'll see the finished product. Well, that's the parcel shelf is all in, all nice and sounded, and this is all exactly the same. It actually looks much better with the cover on. So yeah, now we'll actually go to the test center. I'm gonna get him to peel this thing off, and we'll hear some songs, see what it sounds like. Look at this thing, he fucking peeled it off. He peeled it off before I even got it on video, man. Nah, it's too late now, you can't put it on, can you? Wait, we're at the test center now, so we'll do some little bit of testing. Yeah, we got some test tunes. Lollipop 24 Hz is going in, and this thing can handle it. Doors are vibrating, happy days. And another thing is, these are not actually getting the full power, we're only just walking them in, so fuck yeah, they play good, like. How about let's see what's something else. Oh, I need something else.
Easy. I've never seen me drum move like that before.
So we've got another one. Well, we've got 32, 44.
Stop my food, dog. Me no matter about you and me no care about that. Can't talk in my face. Say them run place, I run them run around that. Man a action.
Those are moving, it's all good, man. Oh, your window's leaving, man. Look at your windscreen, man. Turn it up, turn it all the way up. Come on. Oh yeah, look at these doors, man. Look at this thing move. Yeah, I believe GA style have succeeded again. Lovely. What do you think? That's how you do it, bitches. So yeah, I believe I can approve this one, definitely. Audi A6 twin Alpines, mint, people. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Sorry about the wind. I'm gonna wrap up now. I'll speak to you in a bit. Well, that's the Audi A6 is approved. We got a GA style sticker there on straight away. And yeah, so basically everything's done, everything's in. Yeah, we've got nice subs. So basically that'll be it. That's it, people. That's the basically finish of the build. We'll let these subs break in. Like I said before, they're only about halfway up, something like that. God knows roughly, but I haven't got a meter to actually check it out. But never mind. Customer doesn't even want any louder. Don't know what it is. Well, you could tell by the face of it when they put the song on. It was good. So yeah. So basically, that's it for me today. I'm gonna keep on enjoying this nice sunny weather, and like and share, people. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks everybody who's already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.